Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we're going to see how to create a 3D text effect in Photoshop. It's going to be a simple and easy technique. First, create a new canvas in Photoshop. Size not going to be an issue. Create a canvas with any size. Next, create a solid background. I'm going to pick a color, something like pink, and fill the color using keyboard shortcut Alt Backspace. Next, create a layer. Type your text. The font I'm using is called Leto. It's a free font. I'll give a link in the description. You can download it if you want. I'll increase the size of the text. Okay, I'll place it at the center. Next, enable free transform tool by using keyboard shortcut Ctrl T. Now press down arrow key once and left arrow key once. Now hit enter. Now here's the magic. Now hold Ctrl Shift Alt and press T. A duplicate copy will be created. Repeat the very same step to create 30 duplicate copies. Now hold Shift key in your keyboard, select the last copy, scroll down and select the first copy and place it inside a folder by clicking this folder icon. Now move the folder below the text layer. Right click, blending option, select color overlay. Make sure the color is black. Now we got the 3D text effect. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, hit the like button. For more tutorial videos, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.